Hola. How you doing? It's your boy, Ancient Amumu. Sunday day off. Gonna get another game up here on YouTube. This time it's an arcade game. This time I'm playing with a paddle. It's called Avalanche, and it has a white noise in the background that gets louder and faster and louder the longer you play the game as the avalanche falls on top of you. It is quite anxiety inducing. Anyways, let's give it a go, shall we? Got my credit in there. All right, here we go. Player one. Up. Okay. Oh, here, getting louder. Getting louder. Oh, that one fell in the same place the last time, didn't it? Two misses. That white noise. Like you're driving closer and closer to a river, and it's an angry river after a thunderstorm. But these are supposed to be snow falling. No! Boop. Game over. There it is, your boy, Ancient Omumu, losing to Avalanche, the Atari arcade game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and tell your kitty cat I said psst, 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 psst.